Pero pagod na ako. Sawa na ako. Surrender na ako. Mommy, Daddy, won't you even try? At least try. Can't you just forgive, forget? Dahil kung hindi, then Dennis was right all along. Kayong dalawa, Daddy, Mommy, you don't deserve to be my parents. You don't.
Ano pa ang gagawin natin dito?
Mommy, we are going to settle this once and for all, ha? Makinig kayong lahat! I'm sorry, Grandma. Mommy, Daddy, wala na akong magagawa sa inyo. Dennis was right. Sabi niya, hindi na daw kayo magkakabalikan. Dahil kung talaga magkakabalikan kayo, dapat sana'y matagal na. Your pride has gone out of proportion. You can't think. You can't even feel anymore. For Christ's sake, 7 years! 7 long years! I'm suffering. I'm suffering terribly, you know, because of your indifference, your selfishness. At hindi ko na makakaya. It's like trying to reach for a star that's not even there. I've tried everything, Mommy, Daddy. Everything. Pero bulag kayo. Bingi kayo. Wala na kayong tinignan kundi pride. Wala na kayong pinakinggan kundi pride. Wala nang mahalaga sa inyo at wala na naghari sa inyo kundi pride. Sarili nyo lamang iniisip ninyo eh. Hindi niyo ako iniisip. Hindi niyo iniisip ang kalagayan ng pamilya natin. I admit, walang perfect na tao. Walang perfect na relationship. Lahat tayo nagkakamali, Mom. Lahat tayo nabibigo. Pero ang gulo na ng ating pamilya. I'm sick and tired of your problems. Ako na lang lagi ang kumikilos. Hindi ninyo ako tinutulungan. Ako na lang lagi ang naghihirap para magkabalikan kayong dalawa. Ngunit hindi ninyo iniintindi. Pero pagod na ako. Sawa na ako. Surrender na ako. Mommy, Daddy, won't you even try? At least try. Can't you just forgive, forget? Dahil kung hindi, then Dennis was right all along. Kayong dalawa, Daddy, Mommy, you don't deserve to be my parents. You don't. Naku, ate, tapos na siguro yung grabe natin. Talaga na siguro natin.
Makita litrato natin eh.
Ako rin nga eh.
Hindi ba ikaw ang anak ni Nelson at ni Nelly? Oo, ikaw nga. Ineng, bakit ka umiyak?
Kasi ho, patay na ho ang mami at daddy ko. Patay na. Patay na ho. Patay na idolo natin. Naku, ate, patay na. Sister, I'm sorry to have bothered you in the middle of your prayers. I was really going to wait till you were through, but Sister Adele insisted.
It's all right, Sandra. Why don't you go to the dorm? I'm sure Sister Agnes will accommodate you.
Thank you, Sister.
May I help you?
No, Sister, thank you. I'll manage.
Alam ba ng parents mo na dito ka nagpunta?
Opo, Sister. Kasi nag-iwan ako ng note sa bahay para sa mami ko.
Anong dahilan at umalis ka sa inyo? Would you like to talk about it?
Sister, it's nothing you don't know yet. But, well, I'm just still too agitated right now. Siguro when my mind has cleared a bit, then I'd tell you.
Anytime you feel like talking, I'll be at the sisters' convent. Don't hesitate to call on me, huh?
Yes, Sister. Thank you.
Ano to?
Ma. I'm sorry, Ma.
I'm sorry din, Iha. Hindi ko kasi alam na hahantong sa ganito. Halika na umuwi.
I belong to 2 houses, Ma. But I don't have a home. Sorry, Ma, ha? Hindi ko naman kayo gustong saktan, eh. Kaya lang, ginawa ko na lahat ang magagawa ko. Pero hindi pa rin kayo magkasundo ng Daddy. Sayang.
Naintindihan kita, Iha.
Naiintindihan mo ko, Mommy? Do you, really? Well, even if you do, it's not enough to understand a mistake. You do something about it.
Palagay ko talagang wala nang pag-asa.
Bakit niyo naman nasabing wala nang pag-asa, Ma? Hindi niyo pa naman sinusubukan, eh. Sana binigyan niyo pa ng konting panahon. You know, Ma, it doesn't take maturity to realize that you and Daddy are emotional cripples, using a Raymond Costello or an Ines Beltran as crutches when you only need each other. Oh, Ma, ayan, napaiyak ko patuloy kayo. Hayaan niyo muna ako dito, Ma. Kasi kung sasama ako sa inyong pag-uwi ngayon, masasaktan ko lang kayo ng Daddy. Ayoko mangyari yun, eh. Give me a chance to clear my mind. I'll come home when I'm ready. I promise. Are you sure you're gonna be alright here? Ma, don't cry na, Ma. I love you, Mommy. I love you. I love you too.
Sandy?
Daddy, wag sana kayo magagalit sa akin, Pero kung pwede lang sana, wag muna tayo mag-usap ngayon. Kung meron dapat mag-usap, kayong dalawa ng Mommy. Mommy.
Romy? Bakit? Ikaw na lang kaya magbigay nito. Ba? Anong kakakakakakak? Parang manok.
Yun nga, manok na natatakot. Sa English, chicken. Huwag mo na sabihin chicken out ka. Ngayon pang nandito na tayo.
O sige. Alam kong mas malapit ka kay Sandy eh. Ikaw na magbigay. Sige na.
Ay kung ibalibag na naman sa akin to.
Sige, ikaw rin. Pag hindi ako kinausap ni Sandy, hindi mo makikita ang secret love mo.
Sino?
Si Tita Irene.
Tita Irene, my secret love. I
Go.
keep this flower. La la la.
May I help you?
Buenas tardes, sister.
Buenas tardes.
Would you kindly give this to, pwede ho bang pakibigay ito kay Miss Sandra Cortez?
Kanino galing?
From Dennis.
Makararating.
Thank you very much.
Sister.
Para sa'yo, Sandra. Pinabibigay ni Dennis.
Thank you, sister.
Sandy, I'm sorry and I love you, Dennis.
Very good, Mr. Cruz. You too, Luella. You sing very well.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Who will be rehearsing next?
Sandra Cortez, sister.
Where is she?
I don't know, sister. Sister Margaret, I don't think my parents would be able to participate in the program. Would it be all right if I just sing instead?
Sure, Sandra.
I'm sorry, sister.
Sandra, hindi ka pa ba bihis? The program starts in 15 minutes and you're supposed to introduce the guest speaker.
I'm sorry, sister. But I don't think I'd be able to go. I just can't face anyone feeling this way. Much less the whole school.
Sandra, you were elected president of the student council and chosen student of the year by your schoolmates because you have proven yourself worthy. You have faced up to your responsibility. That's why they trust you. Why give up now?
I tried, sister. I failed.
Now look, Sandra, I'm not going to force you to attend if you don't want to. It's just sad to think that you resent your parents because you feel that they have failed in their responsibility towards you. Yet you yourself are running away from yours.
Huwag na, Delia. Huli na ang lahat.
Hindi, Mario. Hindi ka maaaring mamatay. Mario! Mario!
I realize that what you said is right. I'm sorry, sister.
I'm glad you came. Everything will be all right, you'll see.
Thank you. Thank you. Alam ko dito kayo darating eh.
Maaari ka ba naman namin pabayaan? Hindi ba, Daddy?
Tsaka, sayang naman yung pinagpagura natin sa pag-iinsayo kung hindi natin pakikita sa kanila. Kristen, hindi nakalimutan mo na, ha?
Daddy naman, hindi ko maaaring kalimutan yon. Kayo yata nagturo nun. Sa iyo yata galing yon. I love you, Ma. I love you, Dad.
Sige na. Go ahead.
Am I forgiven?
It's been forgotten.
Sandy, I love you.